Yo guys, we finally killed, GBP USD. So we also have, a yellow cat, but I don't understand, man. I don't understand the move for the GBP, like for the yellow cat. I don't understand the movement. I just gonna take my profit, bro. Like I really wanna take my profit from this pair. I think I'm gonna take the profit from everything, man. I'm gonna take the profit from everything because I don't wanna let my profit become a lose. Because it's been doing in and out for a long time. You know what I'm saying? Let me take this one. I'm gonna take this one, and GBP USD. If I look on the chart, seems like it's gonna go so high, but I want to save my account, just want to save my account because you can see here when it comes to GBP USD, I bought it from this point here, I bought it from this point here, and then I was already shift my stop loss up to this point here, which means all the profit from here to this point here was already protected. So what I'm thinking right now is to switch on 5 minutes because the pair, I love the movement of the pair. The pair is moving so good, so I'm thinking of shifting my stop loss around this point here and continue killing this market. But yes sir, I already take the profit from these other pairs. So now my account itself, this was so beautiful, you know what I'm saying? So right now, let me see what I can do. Let me see what I can do with this, because look at the chart. Look at the chart. Look at the chart. Do you see how the chart looks like? The market, it's just moving straight, the market just moving straight. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And guys, we have another pair, which is, we have JPY. It's also coming good. You see this one? You see this one? This one is also coming good. I think it's on a buying position, but still waiting some confirmation, some rejection candlestick like this one. You see this one right here. So this is what I'm waiting for from AUDJPY, because you can see that even my mobile strategy says that it's already on buying position. You can see down here it's already on a buying position. Let me show you what I mean by that. When the market is around this point, it's time to buy the currency. So bad. If you don't have this strategy and you feel like you want to use it, you can visit my you can check my videos. I already upload this video on YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel. You can check this video right here. I did upload this video, and I explained everything behind the strategy, how the strategy works, and I did give you guys even the strategy settings already, so you can go check it out and go get the settings for the strategy and use the strategy. It's gonna help you so much, same as me here. You can see that right now I already see that I need to pay attention to this pair right here, because I can see that it's time for the pair to do the right things. It's time for the pair to give the money, which I'm not gonna do anything for now. I'll wait for the market to just you can see that it's moving back to on uptrend, but I cannot do anything, you know. I need to be patient. I need to see some pullback, you know. I need to see some pullback. Then I know that the market is now ready to go on uptrend. So I need to see some pullback around this point here, you know, around this point here. I need to see some pullback, same as here. Same as here. You can see that after the rejection, we got this pullback right here. There the market started on going uptrend. That's what I'm waiting for right now, you know. And then once I got that, I'm gonna get in. You feel me? I'm gonna get in and start making this money, you know. Easy like that. Easy like that. So this is what we call a key level. All right, as you can see, the market went to the zone, you know what I'm saying? Boom, 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 black the zone, but at the end of the day came back to the zone right here. So this is the key level. Once the market went back to the zone right here, all you need to do is just to, you know, put your stop loss right here, wait for it. When it starts going up, you know what I'm saying, put your stop right here, stop loss right here, and hold it all the way, guys, to the point right here. You know what I'm saying? So this is the key level, right, where you need to pay attention at, right here. So make sure you do the best thing, like for more. You know what I'm saying? Big secret, bro. Big secret. And free mentorship. You know what I'm saying? As you can see. Yo, this is how I was killed, man. This is how I was killed. As you can see. This is how it was killed, man. This is how it was killed, you know what I'm saying? A euro, USD, you know what I'm saying? This is how it was killed. Look at this. You can see how I catch this signal right here. You know what I'm saying? Break the zone, back to the zone right here. Boom! This is how we made it, man. This is how we did it. Make sure you join the team, man. The link is on the description below. Let's go, man. Let's go, baby. You see here. It was very clear, man. Very clear, you know what I'm saying? This was so clear and clean. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Yo, what's going on, gang? I'm back, guys. I'm back, you know what I'm saying? I'm back with the plug, you know what I'm saying? As you can see here, guys, we're killing everything, you know what I'm saying? Like, we're killing everything from the market. So listen here, guys. Today I have a plug for you. Stop crying about the capital to start with, you know what I'm saying? So here you can use the best broker which I use. Check the link on my bio. Go open the real Forex trading account. Deposit at least $50, and then you're gonna get the same amount as you deposited. If you deposit $100, you're going to see the balance of $200. If you deposit $1,000 US dollars, you're going to see the balance of $2,000. You know what I'm saying? So stop crying about the capital to start with. You know what I'm saying? I already plug you. I already leave the link to my bio for the blocker, which is the best one. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you do the right things, and once you open the account, you know what I'm saying, hit me out. I'll help you to grow your account. You know how we do. You know how we kill the market every day. You know what I'm saying? Peace out.